Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for high-speed RC boats for lakes, rivers, or even saltwater, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best RC speedboats of 2026, perfect for beginners, kids, and serious hobbyists. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals, so let's get started. Number 1. TOPCHOIC Brushless RC Boat, 40 miles per hour. The TOPCHOIC Brushless RC boat is a powerful 19-inch racing boat capable of hitting speeds over 40 miles per hour. It features a brushless motor, self-righting design, LED lights, and even a fishing function, making it suitable for lakes, rivers, and saltwater use. This boat is built for serious speed lovers. The brushless motor delivers smooth acceleration, while the self-righting feature ensures you won't panic if it flips. The LED lights improve visibility, especially during low light conditions, and the included carry bag adds portability. Pros: extremely fast, 40+ miles per hour, brushless motor for high performance, self-righting system, suitable for saltwater, large size for better stability. Cons: speed may be too much for beginners. If you want top-tier speed and premium features, the TOPCHOIC RC boat is a fantastic high-performance choice. Number 2. Ssccgym FT111 Brushless RC Boat, 30 miles per hour. The Ssccgym FT111 is a 25.5-inch large RC speedboat designed for adults and hobby users. It offers 30 miles per hour speed, 2.4 GHz remote control, and a stable hull for smooth handling. This boat stands out for its large size and stability, making it easier to control even at higher speeds. It's ideal for open water and performs well in lakes and rivers with minimal wave resistance. Pros: large 25.5-inch hull, stable and easy to control, brushless motor, strong signal range. Cons: only one battery included, not the fastest on the list. A great option for those who want control, size, and reliability over extreme speed. Number 3. Levhorzn HJ816 Brushless RC Boat, 34+ miles per hour, and comes with 2 rechargeable batteries. This boat offers an excellent balance of speed and runtime. With 2 batteries included, you can enjoy longer sessions without waiting to recharge. It's beginner-friendly, but still powerful enough for experienced users. Pros: 34+ miles per hour, 2 batteries included, good balance and control, suitable for lakes and rivers. Cons: plastic build feels less premium, limited advanced features. A solid mid-range RC speedboat that delivers great value and long playtime. Number 4. CaptainRC RC Turbo Jet Boat, 25+ kph. The CaptainRC Turbo Jet Boat uses a jet propulsion system instead of an exposed propeller. It reaches 25+ kph and is designed for pools, lakes, and shallow rivers. This boat is perfect for safe and shallow water fun, especially around kids. The jet drive reduces the risk of damage, while the LED lights and low battery alert add convenience. Pros: jet drive for safety, works well in shallow water, LED lights and low battery alert, includes 2 batteries. Cons: slower than prop-driven boats, not ideal for rough water. Best choice for safe, casual fun, especially in pools or calm water. Number 5. BEZGAR RC Boat, 55 kph. The BEZGAR RC boat is an 18-inch brushless speedboat capable of reaching 55 kph. It features a powerful motor and a 2500 mAh battery for extended performance. This boat delivers impressive speed and strong acceleration while remaining easy to control. Its waterproof design makes it reliable for regular outdoor use. Pros: very fast, 55 kph, brushless motor, large battery capacity, durable waterproof build. Cons: no spare battery included, can drain battery quickly at full speed. An excellent high-speed RC boat for users who want performance without spending a fortune. So that's our list of the top 5 best RC speedboats of 2026. Whether you're a beginner or hardcore RC enthusiast, there's something here for everyone. Check the links in the description for today's best prices, and if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.